Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to screenshot an iPhone by tapping the back. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, you want to scroll down and then click on touch. Under touch, locate and click on back tap. Click on either double tap or triple tap, but for this sake, let's go with double tap. Then scroll down and then select screenshot. Once you select a screenshot, hit the back button. Now, here there is a feature that says show banner. If you want this banner to show each time you back tap your iPhone, turn it on, otherwise turn it off. Now, go ahead and tap the back of your iPhone twice. You see that? So each time you're on a web page or on any app, you can just tap the back of your iPhone to take the screenshot, and that is it. So, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.